Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of probability. We will explore the fascinating concept of understanding odds in games, weather, and everyday decision-making. Join us as we unravel the mysteries from simple coin flips and dice rolls to real-life chances. What exactly is probability? It's the measure of how likely an event is to occur. Think of it as a way to quantify the chance of something happening. We can express it with the formula: probability equals the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Let's begin with a classic example: coin flipping. When you flip a coin, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. Each outcome has an equal chance of occurring. Therefore, the probability of getting heads is 1 divided by 2, which equals 0.5 or 50%. Now let's consider rolling a standard 6-sided die. Each face of the die, numbered from 1 to 6, has an equal probability of landing face up. That means the probability of rolling any specific number is 1 divided by 6, which is approximately 16.67%. Weather forecasting is another real-life application of probability. Meteorologists use historical data and current conditions to estimate the likelihood of different weather events. For example, a forecast might state a 70% chance of rain or a 30% chance of sunshine. Probability plays a crucial role in decision-making. We use probability to make informed choices by evaluating the odds of different outcomes. A higher probability of success can guide us toward making better decisions, improving our chances of achieving our goals. The probability scale is a visual representation of the range of probabilities, from 0 to 1. 0 represents an impossible event, while 1 represents a certain event. Values in between indicate varying degrees of likelihood, such as unlikely, even chance, and likely. Probability is everywhere around us, influencing various aspects of our lives. It's present in gaming and sports, guiding our understanding of risk and reward. It informs weather forecasts, helping us plan our days. And it empowers us to make smart decisions, leading to better outcomes. Understanding probability enables us to navigate the world with greater confidence and insight. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.